Good morning. Microeconomics, last part, second chapter. Production possibility cost and opportunity cost. Production possibility cost and opportunity cost. Opportunity, chance, forgo, FOREGONE, forgo. Opportunity means option. Leaving one thing for accepting other one product is called the opportunity. Very simple example. You have applied for a job and received 2 interview letter. Appear in the interview and you secure both the job. That means you receive both the letters for appointment. So one job is in Greater Noida and the other one is at Delhi. The Greater Noida job provide you 30,000 salary and the Delhi job provide you 40,000 salary. Now the opportunity, which one you will be choose? Either the Greater Noida or the Delhi job. Now you calculate. If you move from Greater Noida to Delhi, there is a time consumption, there is a fuel consumption, as well as the safety and etc. etc. On the other end, if you are living in Greater Noida, then you will take the option for the Greater Noida job because that 10,000, whatever the extra money you are receiving, that will be spent through your time as well as exhausting, as well as your fuel cost. So you opt the job at Greater Noida. It's called the opportunity, chances, forgo. आपने एक जॉब छोड़ दिया, दूसरे जॉब को एक्सेप्ट किया with consideration of the all situation. Now come to the economics. Production possibility cost and opportunity cost. Opportunity means मैं अभी discuss किया, this is called the option. The opportunity cost is the modern concept, or opportunity cost refer to the value of next best alternative, forgo while making a choice or decision. Forgo means leave aside, छोड़ देना. FOREGONE इस वर्ड को यूज करोगे इकोनॉमिक्स में, इज a very good word. Forgo for the next best option is called the opportunity. For example, अभी मैंने example दिया, hope it is clear. Now the book example. If the government wants to make road, then it will have to give up the benefit that can be obtained by buildings, school and hospital. So, now the point, government के पास 2 ऑप्शन है one sector में, infrastructure में, either to build up the road or to build up the hospital, school, education and health, and the other one is communication. कमर्शियल में रोड की वैलिडिटी ज़्यादा है, सोसाइटी में एजुकेशन एंड हेल्थ की वैलिडिटी ज़्यादा है. तो where to forecast or where to focus the government to build up the road connectivity throughout the country, or to build up the school and hospital in different area of the village where the community must get the healthy environment, health improvement facilities, as well as the education for the children, boys and girls both. So this is the concept. Therefore, through this figure, this is the one figure for the first part. Figure 1, this is the production possibility curve. The school building I am taking on the x-axis, road in the y-axis. Clear? Now, first we are preparing the road from O to R point. This is the road, and at that point our PPC curve of school and hospital up to S. So initial production of road is more than the school and hospital building. Clear? Now opportunity. Now government think I have to improve the standard of school and hospital to give the facilities to our community. So the government cut the cost of this portion R to R1. So it became, that is why the arrow is in the downwards. That is why arrow is in the downwards. So it became from this position to that position, so that this cost, that means delta C, the cost saving through the road construction, is transferred to the construction of school and hospital. That means from OS level to OS 1 level. Clear? So you have, because you have the resources is limited. We have the resources is very limited. So we have to take the opportunity by forego the other product or other goods or other option to opt the necessity goods and product. बुक खरीदना है, एग्जाम आ रहा है. The book costing ₹300, and you are interested to go or enjoy a movie which in and around costing above 400. So you have to opt which one is needed to you to move to the movie for your entertainment, or to buy the books to score a good scoring in your examinations by buying the books. So you have forgo the movie, entertainment, and buy the books, prepare yourself and score a good scoring, and you will get a Bravo marks from your school. Clear? So opportunity is the next best option. Forgo, buy, opt the necessary item. The opportunity cost of production of road is the educational and hospitals population. The company or concept of the opportunity cost can be shown. प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व, इसको हम लोग इस कर्व के थ्रू हम इसको शो कर सकते हैं, जिसमें मैंने अभी डिस्कस ऑलरेडी कर दिया. पी इज माय प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व. रोड बिल्डिंग इज फ्रॉम O R, that means at point A up to this. So this cost is the maximum cost for investing in the road and building. Now we come to this point, that means the road and building cost is decreases to OR1, so that we can, the R1 money is can invest in the construction of school and building. That means earlier we was spending up to this OS, now this cost will be spending OS1. So this is, that means delta G is my gain and delta C is my loss. loss of output divided by loss gain of output is equal to marginal opportunity cost. Clear? Formula is given. Figure 2 is the marginal opportunity cost. The same point are discussed here. Output of goods X, goods Y and output of goods X. इसी को हम वहाँ पे ले जा सकते हैं. That means we are losing this part delta C and we are gaining this part delta G. Is called the opportunity cost of road to the construction of hospital and building. So the diagram is also highlighted. The production cost or opportunity cost is shown by the negative slope. It is sloped downwards. It is a concave curve. We have already discussed the curve, concave and convex. That is a two type of curve. Convex is from this side, left to right also, but its origins को हिट करता है. Origin की तरफ फेस होता है, इसका opposite में फेस होता है outside. It's called the concave. The production possibility curve is an economy progresses from point A to point B. Point A से लेके point B progress हो रहा है क्योंकि production possibility curve is a moving. Progress means it is a technological or infrastructure development. ये देखो इस तरह move कर रहा है means the is a higher one. इसके आगे वो बाहर भी जा सकता है जो मैंने पहले भी ऑडियो में दे रखा है. तो प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व इज ए इंप्रूविंग कर्व और इट इज द टेक्नोलॉजिकल एडवांसमेंट फ्रॉम ए टू पॉइंट बी. देन द इंक्रीज इन द एक्सपेंडिचर्स ऑन स्कूल एंड हॉस्पिटल. द बिल्डिंग ऑफ द रोड हैज टू बी गिवन अप. तो मैं मतलब इसमें आ रहा हूँ ताकि मैं इस पोर्शन को छोड़ सकूं एंड इस पोर्शन को एक्स्ट्रा S1 पोर्शन को मैं ऐड कर सकूं. दैट इज द पॉइंट. The losing of R1 gaining OS to OS1. So one is the losing of output and other is the gaining of output is called the opportunity cost. तो ये यहाँ पे डेल्टा सी एंड डेल्टा जी के हिसाब से हमने इसको डिमार्केशन किया. दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ डेल्टा जी इज द गेनिंग पार्ट एंड दिस पार्ट ऑफ द डेल्टा सी इज द लूजिंग पार्ट ऑफ द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ रोड एंड बिल्डिंग एंड द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ स्कूल एंड हॉस्पिटल. क्लियर? नाउ द सेकंड फिगर इज द मार्जिनल अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट. ऑलमोस्ट द सेम कंसेप्ट बट आई एम चेंजिंग द यूनिट. दैट द गुड्स Y and goods X. So what is marginal opportunity cost? The same concept is there. Marginal opportunity cost is equal to delta Y. Delta Y, that means this is the losing point, delta Y divided by delta X. Delta X. That means lose of or losses of output divided by gain of output. Now come to the figure. Loss of output. What is my loss? This is the portion of loss. Y1 is my loss. And what is my gain? X1 is my gain. So loss is loss of output. This means I am losing the part so that we can spend that money this purpose. The output of goods X. So X1 is my gain of output. That became AB. This is the portion AB is my loss and C or BC. ये मेरा expand हो रहा है. This is the part BC is my gain of output. तो AB divided by BC. अब ये कहाँ से आ रहा है? Delta Y. Change in goods Y. Goods Y change क्या हो रहा है? OY से लेके OY minus OY1 is equal to at point A. इस point पे decrease हो रहा है and on the simultaneously delta, this is called the delta X मतलब change in goods X is equal to OX1 माइनस, क्योंकि OX1 बड़ा है, माइनस OX, दैट मीन्स दिस इज द एक्सटेंशन पार्ट बाय फॉरगो दैट पार्ट। तो यहाँ पे जो मेरा कॉस्ट था, इस कॉस्ट को मैंने यहाँ पे एम्प्लॉय किया एंड वी आर गेटिंग द मोर क्वांटिटी ऑफ आउटपुट ऑफ गुड्स X in lieu of or forgo of the less output of goods Y। तो Y को छोड़ दिया, कुछ पोर्शन अनुस कॉस्ट को हमने X में इन्वेस्ट किया and we are in a gaining। So this is my losing part and this is my gaining part is called the opportunity cost or the marginal opportunity cost। एक बार बुक ओपन करो, PDF मैं रीड कर रहा हूँ, एक बार समझा देता हूँ। मार्जिनल अपॉर्चुनिटी और MOC is the rate at which the quantity produced of one goods is sacrificed in order to produce the one more unit of the other goods। हम एक पैसे को, एक कॉस्ट को सैक्रिफाइस कर रहे हैं ताकि we can produce more unit of the second goods, जो हमने ऑप्शन में ले रखा है। Higher level of output of one goods can be purchased or produce only the reducing the quantity produced of the other goods। हायर लेवल, मैं यहाँ पे हायर लेवल तभी जा सकता हूँ जब मैं इसको कम करूंगा, क्योंकि मेरे पास रिसोर्स इज लिमिटेड, इट्स नॉट अनलिमिटेड। अनलिमिटेड होगा तो मैं दोनों को एक साथ बढ़ा के ले जाऊंगा, बट व्हेन इट इज ए लिमिटेड वी हैव टू फॉरगो one for the other, the same concept। In other words, as more resources are allocated towards the production of goods X, the additional output get smaller and smaller of goods Y। तो जितना हम यहाँ पे X में पैसे लगाते जाएंगे ये मेरा रिड्यूस होते जाएगा, बिकॉज वन मनी इज ट्रांसफर टू द, इसीलिए इस लाइन को हमने शुरू में बोला था ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन लाइन और प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कार्ड को ट्रांसफॉर्मर लाइन भी बोला जाता है, बिकॉज द कॉस्ट इज ट्रांसफरिंग फ्रॉम वन यूनिट टू द अदर यूनिट। तो इसीलिए इसको हम लोग जितना मैक्सिमम प्रोडक्शन करने जाएंगे उतना मेरा यहाँ पे कॉस्ट को कार्टेल करने पड़ेंगे, तभी जाकर मैं यहाँ पे सिचुएशन को चेंज कर पाऊंगा। एंड दिस इज द फॉर्मूला, मार्जिनल अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू डेल्टा Y divided by delta X। डेल्टा Y is the loss of output and is the gain of output। this is the sum। PDF मैं ऑलरेडी आप लोगों को भेज दिया, इसको देखो, क्लियर। थैंक यू।